सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Hello students. Now today we are going to learn about of the lesson, that is the thief story, which was written by Ruskin Bond. In the previous lecture we have seen about this. Today we are going to learn about our rest of the lesson. So I know you are very excited to what will happen to the Hari Singh. In previous lecture we have seen how Hari Singh went to Anil's house, how Hari Singh met to the Anil, and how he get his confidence, and after that they lived both each other, and after that Hari Singh wanted to cook for Anil, but he didn't know how to cook. Later on Anil taught him how to cook, and as well as he taught also how to write numbers, how to write the spelling of his name. Okay, and when Anil gave him some rupees to Hari Singh to buy a daily need, at that time Hari Singh get cheated of that money. He took up some money of every day's daily when he buying daily needs. Okay, now see here. He came home with a small bundle of notes. He had just sold a book to a publisher. I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. See, already we have seen this line. One evening he came home with the small bundle of notes. Anil came with the small bundle of notes, and he tucked that money under his mattress, and Hari Singh saw that where Anil kept that money. Okay, now I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, I had done anything in my line of work. Yes student, already I told you Hari Singh cheat some money. He took out some money of which Anil gave him for buying daily needs, right? He told us he never cheat in another way to Anil, only except for this daily need. Okay, I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. See, Hari Singh thought that Anil gave him key to the door. Why? Because Anil trust on Hari Singh. He thought that Hari Singh was a very what we can say, very trusting person, and Anil gave him to the key of his door. And on the other hand, Hari Singh saw where Anil kept his money. What is Hari Singh's purpose to came Anil's home? Yes, absolutely. It was stole to money. Okay. Now he told us he saw the Hari Singh. Hari Singh saw the Anil most trusting person I had ever met. Hari Singh never met that type of person which on he trust. Okay, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't ever notice he has been robbed, and that take all the pleasure out of the work. Yes students, see here what is Hari Singh want to tell us. He wants to tell us it is very difficult to rob Anil. Why? Because Anil trusted on Hari Singh. Yes, and they live they live each other last month, and it's easy to rob. Hari Singh thought that it's easy to rob greedy man. Greedy man means lusty man, huh? Who loves money, who loves property. That can we can call greedy man, huh? And it easy to rob a greedy man, but it's very difficult to rob a careless person. Those who don't want love money. Yes, and Anil is a type of careless person. Anil didn't want to money and he didn't love money. Yes, and that is why Hari Singh told us it is very difficult to rob Anil. Why? Because Anil didn't love money and he already gave the key of his door to the Hari Singh. Yes, well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself I'm out of practice and if I don't take the money, huh? Yes. Hari Singh thought that now it's time to do my real work. What is his work, real work? Yes, told to money. And he already seen that money, that bundle of notes, Anil tuck on his mattress. And now Hari Singh saw that money and his plan for that stole to money. And he want to stole that money. He thought that now it's real work to do his, it's real time to do his real work. And I am out of practice and if I don't take this money, if I don't take this money, if I don't do this, take this money, he will only waste it on his friend. After all, he doesn't even pay me. Yes. What Hari Singh thought? Hari Singh thought that if I didn't take this money, Anil went to go outside with his friend and waste on it all his money on his friend. And here, on the other hand, after all, he should pay my salary. Whose salary? Hari Singh's salary. Hari Singh thought that Anil should give me my salary. He pay for this. Okay. See next. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Yes, students, see here. Now, Hari Singh want to do his real work and that's why he came to the Anil's room, right? And he saw that Anil slept out peacefully. And rays of sunlight, beam of moonlight means rays of that moonlight came from window and fall on the bed of Anil. And Anil slept peacefully. Okay, and he sat down the floor and considering the situation. That is mean Hari Singh now planned for his robbery, right? He took the money. Hari Singh took the money. He could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Now Hari Singh's plan. What is planned there? He wants to rob that money and leave that city and he want to go to the Lucknow with catch the train of 10:30. Express means train. Okay. Sleeping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. You should know what is unlined. There is no any mark. There is no any tension. Yes, Anil sleep peacefully. There is no any marks on Anil's face. On the other hand, Hari Singh now going to rob that money or going to rob Anil, and I had more marks on my face. That means he has in tension, and through mine were mostly scars. Scars means there are many marks, many lines on his face. And that is why Hari Singh thought that Anil sleep peacefully because that bundle of money was Anil's money. And Anil is a type of careless person who didn't love money. And that is why Hari Singh thought that it's easy to rob that money. My hand slid under the mattress searching for the note. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Already Hari Singh saw where Anil took that money, and when he went towards the bed of that Anil, he took down, he drew them out that money, and without making any sound. Yes, we know that in many pictures or movies we have seen that how thieves rob that, or how they did a robbery. Yes, without he making any sound, he drew them out that money. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. Yes, where Anil sleep on that bed, and that bed only he took that money, and that time Hari Singh drew them out that money without making any sound, and he feel Anil sighed. Sighed means breathing. He feel breathing of Anil when he towards to the side of Hari Singh. I was startled and quickly crawled off the room, and after that he became nervous, nervous, and he get very tension, and he crawled. You know, babies are crawling like that. Hari Singh also crawled out of the room. Okay. When I was on the bed, road, I began to run. I had the note at my waist, held there by the string of my pyjamas. I slowed down to a walk and counted the note, 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. Yes, now Hari Singh drew them out that money, and he left that Anil's house, and now he was on the road. Yes, now he began to run. I had the note at my waist, where he put his that bundle of notes. Hari Singh put that bundle of notes on his waist under the pyjamas. Yes, with the help of string, he held that money under the pyjamas. And I slowed down. That means Hari Singh said that now, after running and running some time, he slowed down his running, and he now he is walking and counted that notes. How many notes he had been stolen? Okay, 600 rupees in 50s. There are 600 notes. There are 50 notes of 600. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. Now he thought that I have many money. This a lot of money, and with the help of I will become a oil-rich Arab person. I became a very rich person. And my lifestyle will be changed. Yes, he thought that, and he planned for his came, or he saw many dreams with that money. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. Yes, I had never brought a ticket in my life. Now Hari Singh thought that when he reached the station, because he wanted to catch the train of 10:30's express to the Lucknow. Okay, now he said that he reached at the station, he did not stop at the ticket office. Yes, we already know his occupation is thief. He was a thief, and he had never brought a ticket in his life, but dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow express was just moving out. Yes, when he came to the platform, the train which was going to the Lucknow, the train was just moving out. His speed became slow, and he just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriage, but I hesitated. Yes. Now there is a some second to he could catch that train. Yes, Hari Singh could catch that train, but the train was just moving out, and now he will catch the speed, and Hari Singh thought that I should have been able to jump. Hari Singh thought that I can catch that train, just I want to jump up the one of the carriage of any carriage of the train, but he hesitated. Yes, Hari Singh hesitated. Some reasons behind it that Hari Singh didn't want to go that train, or he didn't jump on that train. What are the reasons? See, for some reasons I can't explain, and I lost the change to get away. When Hari Singh thought that he could catch that train, but he didn't. He hesitated, and some reasons behind it. Why he hesitated? Why Hari Singh hesitated? And in all these matter, train has gone, and he lost his chance to get away. He didn't catch that train. Yes. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friend, believing that friends were more trouble than help. Now he thought that the train has gone and nobody was there on that platform, and he feel like a desert on that platform was like a desert for him. Okay, and he now he had didn't have any idea where he spent that night. Yes, I had no friend. Who? Hari Singh. Hari Singh had no friend, and he thought that believing that friends were more trouble than help. He thought that friends are never help, they gave only trouble. Yes, this is a Hari Singh subject sentence. What? Friends are never help, they give only troubles. And I did not want to make any one curious by staying at one of the small hotel near the station. As well as he didn't want to go to in any hotel. Okay, he didn't want to stay any hotel. The only person I knew really well was the man I had dropped. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. Yes, he knew that Anil was the only person who want to Hari Singh went to Anil's house, and Anil allow him to live with him. Okay, and he was the only Anil. Nobody was there. He hadn't any friend, and he didn't want to live in that hotel also. Okay, now he came back and he walked slowly through the bazaar. Bazaar means, yes, market. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces. When they had lost their goods, the greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face, when he discovered the theft, would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. Yes, student, it is very important paragraph of this lesson. When he came back, he through the when Hari Singh going towards the Anil's house, he came from the market, and he thought that his career as a thief, and he made many. He has, with the help of some experience, he thought that I have many study. I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. The greedy man showed fear. Greedy, lusty man, showed their fear. Okay, and rich man showed their anger. When rich man, when they lost something, they showed their anger, and the poor man showed their acceptance. Yes, of course, they didn't take any actions. What happened with them? But I knew that Anil's face, when he discovered the theft, would show only touch of sadness. Hari Singh knew that when Anil knew about the robbery, he will become a sad. Not for he lost his money, but only for loss of trust. It is a very important sentence. Yes. Next. For the loss of trust. Okay. Now, I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on the bench. The night was chilly. It was early November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. Yes, students. Hari Singh now went after market. He found himself in Maidan. Maidan means playground, and he sat down on the bench. And that night, he thought that that night was very chilly, and it was early November. A light drizzle added to my discomfort. That means drizzle means droplets, huh? And soon it after was raining. It is a climate of become raining and raining quietly. Initially, rain was it drizzle out, and after that it quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin because of the heavy rain. His costume or clothes, pajamas and shirt, became wet and stuck towards his skin. And cold wind blew the rain across my face. And some breeze were there, and he feel very cold breeze. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. We know that, as like you have heard about Eiffel Tower. Like that, in their city there was a clock tower was there, and he showed midnight was there, and he felt for the notes. Now he felt for the notes. They were damp for the rain. All the notes are damp for the rain, due to the rain. Why? Damp means wet. Okay. Anil's money, in the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meal, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentence anymore. Right now Hari Singh thought that I have this money, I have bundle of notes, and now I don't have any need to listen Anil, right? Anil give me sometimes 2 or 3 rupees for go to the cinema, but now I had it all money and I couldn't cook his meal. Hari Singh said that, or he thought that I couldn't, or I will never, I will not be cook for Anil. Run to the bazaar, that means market, or learn to write whole sentence anymore. He said that I will only the person, I will learn myself how to write a sentence. Okay, I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentence I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as a simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever to respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. Yes. Now he had Hari Singh thought that, or he wanted to told us that he had forgotten. What he forgotten? How to write the full sentence, how to write the numbers in the excitement of this robbery. And he knew that one day bring me more than few hundred rupees. It was simple matter to steal. He thought that it is a very simple to steal, and sometimes just as a simple to be caught. But to be real big man, yes, being honest or real big man, a clever and respected man, was something. Yes, it's a very big thing. I should go back to Anil, and I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. Now Hari Singh concluded in this experience. Now he wanted to go towards the Anil's house. Yes, I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. Yes, now he went back towards Anil's house. Anil was sleeping peacefully. When he came back to the room, he was in very tension. He was very nervous. He became very nervous. For it is much easier to steal something. Yes, it is very important sentence. It is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Right? It's very easier to steal something, rob anyone, but it is very big thing to return anything to anyone. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway. He opened the door. He has a key of Anil's door, and he opened the door and he entered the room quietly, and he saw Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. Yes, I felt his breath on my hand. Where he drew them out that money, at that place only he came and he took that money on its original place. I felt his breath on my hand. When Hari Singh put that money on its real place, he felt that Anil's breath. I remained still for a minute, then my hand found the edges of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. Yes. Then my hand found the edges of mattress. He has found the edges of mattress. Right. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. Now, after that, Hari Singh, in the next morning, as usual, because of the last night's exertion, he didn't woke up early in the morning. But Anil woke up early in the morning and he made tea for Hari Singh. And he stretched out his hand towards me. Yes, he offered tea for me. He offered tea for Hari Singh. There was a 50 rupee note between his finger. My heart sank. Yes, student, you can see glossary. Heart sank, felt depressed. Heart sank means felt depressed. When that weighted notes Anil wanted to give, he offered give to the Hari Singh. Hari Singh's heart sank. What? Why? Because he thought that he had been discovered. Yes, Hari Singh thought that might be Anil news about yesterday's robbery. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. Anil said that I have some money yesterday and you will be paid regularly, because Hari Singh work for Anil, and Anil should have to pay his salary, and that's why Anil said to Hari Singh, I made some money yesterday and you will be paid regularly. My spirit rose. Spirit rose, became very hopeful. Yes, now he became a very happy. Spirit rose. Okay, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. When Hari Singh touched that notes and he felt that that note was wet, wet from yesterday's rain, right? And today we will start writing sentence. Who said? Yes, obviously Anil said that today we are going to learn how to write full sentence, and he knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. Yes, it is beautiful lines. Why? He knew, Anil knew what Hari Singh did yesterday. But other than that, Anil didn't say single word to the Hari Singh, and but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. And he didn't want to say Hari Singh was robbed Anil with his behavior also. I smiled at Anil and in most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. Yes, this is a very beautiful lesson. The thief story, we have just completed it. I hope you can understand very well. Now we should saw the workshop. See, complete the wave diagram. Okay, wave diagram. This simple question always come for exam. It has carried 2 marks. Anil's virtue and Hari Singh's vices. Yes, virtues means good behavior, good things, good characteristics, and vices means bad things, or bad behavior, bad characteristics, like that only. We should know how Anil is, how Anil was and how Hari Singh was. Hari Singh was a thief and Anil was a good person. What are the characteristics of Anil? You can write first one. Anil was a simple person, as well as he was a kind person. Kind. Then you can say Anil was easygoing person and he was always pleasant. Okay, simple, kind, easygoing and pleasant. Now Hari Singh's cunning, right, untruthful, insincere, and you can call it him shrewd person, right? These are the good characteristics of Anil and bad vices of Hari Singh. That means bad characteristics of Hari Singh. Okay, now the next question. Insert the appropriate word or phrase given below in the sentence that follows. Some words or phrases given in the bracket and you should fill this word or this sentence. Okay, now I dashed the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. What is meant by that? You should know what are the meaning of these sentences, and we have already seen while our lesson. Obviously I dashed to the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. After the death of my pet dog, my dash when dad got me a new pup. What is that? Yes, last spirits rose. This is a phrase. After the death of my pet dog, my spirit rose when dad got me new pup. Do not stoop to dash just to gain something from someone. Yes, do not stoop to, yes, flattery. Flattery means insincere praise. Do not stoop flattery just to gain something from someone. The artist complete his painting by fits and start. By fits and start, it is the very important phrase. It means taking some intervals and taking some gap. And the artist complete his painting by fits and start. The crime went dash for 11 years. Yes, obviously undetected. And when the baby saw its mother, it gave an dash smile. Obviously it is a appealing smile. Okay, now we have completed this lecture. Okay, I hope you can understand better. Thank you, students.